The Hamilton Beach 51103 is extremely affordable, personal blender that has been around for quite long, but even today, it is still an attractive option and dozens of users are continuously purchasing it, which definitely has to mean something. This model has a compact, all-black finished body that is accompanied by a blending cup with embedded measuring lines positioned on its front, while on its lower body, you can notice a large pulse button, a cord recess of which you can take an advantage in order to wrap the cord around the base, as well as feet that will keep this unit stable while performing. For your information, this unit has a 14-ounce blending jar, which at the same time, serves as a travel cup, so you can take it with you anywhere you go. Moving on, the Hamilton Beach 51103 is also armed with durable stainless steel blades which in practice, will ensure quick and effective blending, so you can make delicious shakes, icy drinks, and fruit smoothies without any problem. In addition, this device comes with a recipe book as well, so you will never feel restricted in terms of use. However, the only disadvantage this unit has, is the lack of more settings, since you will be obliged only to use the pulse option, but, considering its price tag, this is quite normal, so personally, I don't consider it as a remark. According to those who purchased this product, the Hamilton Beach 51103 is exceptionally easy to store and clean, and it produces a bearable noise, so for the price you pay, I think that you will be more than satisfied with having such a product. Before we end, I would also like to inform you that this unit has a BPA-free jar, which is something that I particularly favor, due to the fact that the drinks you create will not be harmful to your health, so when we combine all these things together, without a doubt, I can say that Hamilton Beach has once again done a great job here. Overall, if you're looking for an inexpensive, yet quality personal blender, then this is the one for you.